Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about something I've been snacking on. They are Trader Joe's 3-seed beet crackers. They're really good. Normally I actually don't really like beets, but these are good, and I know that beets are healthy for you and they're baked into the cracker. So they have a really nice taste. They are kosher and gluten-free. This is 6.5 ounces, 184-gram box. I love Trader Joe's. I go there often to purchase their products, and I'm always really happy with anything I try from there. And what's great is if you don't have one by you, you could always order their products online. So it kind of shows you what the crackers look like and the texture and stuff on the box. So that's kind of neat. And go to the side to the nutrition facts. So nutrition facts: about 6 servings per container, serving size about 17 crackers, 30 grams, 150 calories per serving, total fat 8 grams, 10% daily value, saturated fat 1 gram, 5% daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, which is good, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 50 milligrams of sodium, 18 grams of total carbohydrate, 0 grams of dietary fiber, total sugars less than 1 gram, includes 0 grams added sugars, and 2 grams of protein. You can see here potassium 110 milligrams, 2%, calcium 10 milligrams, 0%, iron 0.8 milligrams, 4%, and vitamin D 0. You have ingredients listed. Ingredients: white corn, corn oil and or sunflower oil, beet powder, black sesame seeds, flax seeds, paprika, chia seeds, onion powder, sea salt. May contain traces of milk and soy. So if you have a milk or soy allergy, just be careful, or you probably can't have these at all actually. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California, and store in a cool, dry place. So I usually just keep them in my pantry. And it shows you here Trader Joe's is marching to the beat. Top them. That looks like hummus and cucumber maybe. My husband eats these with hummus. Dip them in a spinach or ranch dip and snack on them. Trader Joe's 3-seed beet crackers on the front, and sold by February 7th, 2019. Plenty of time to go through it. And the sell-by date's on the bag too. Comes in a white container. Let's take the chip out, cracker out. I don't know why I'm calling them chips. Show you guys. So this is the size. They're pretty small. They kind of remind me of bite-sized tortilla chips, but they have such an awesome red color with the black seeds. So you can have a snack that you feel not so bad about eating. They have a nice crunch to them, and I feel like you could hardly tell that they have beets. Like I said, I don't really like beets, but these don't bother me because, I don't know, they just don't have that strong beet flavor. They taste more like a tortilla chip than anything else to me. So you could also actually have these with salsa. So I'm just showing you the design on the box. These are really good. I think kids would like these too. My sister-in-law is always trying to find healthy snacks for the kids, and I think this is something that they would like. It's not, I wouldn't necessarily say they have a ton of nutritional value, but as far as being a snack with a little bit of something healthy in them and not so bad. I mean, it's white corn and corn oil, beet powder, and flax seeds are really good for you. Chia seeds are really good for you. People put them in their shakes for health reasons. So I think based on those facts, it's really not that bad, and something you can snack on, your kids can snack on, and they're really good. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out Trader Joe's 3-seed beet crackers, and whether you like beets or you don't, I think you're going to like them anyway. And I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you found the video useful. Thank you guys.